3 key points why the metaverse is so popular. If there is one technology search phrase that is currently the most popular, it is metaverse and its keywords. The metaverse and its related topics have sparked passionate discussion in the technology industry from last year to early 2022. The search popularity and attention of the metaverse have exploded, reaching the pinnacle of search. As a result, 2021 can be stated as Metaverse Year One. The following are the 3 reasons why the metaverse has piqued the interest of the technology community and the general public. Not just a screen but a new world, the young generation more emphasis on enjoyable and user-friendly experience. Along the path of technological innovation, it has spawned the development and application of new products. Entering the era of economic globalization, excess capital must develop new investment opportunities. First, let's explain from the demand level. People's connections in the real world have been weakened under the epidemic isolation and quarantine policy, and people have been interacting in virtual spaces for longer and longer periods. The amount of time spent on the internet by the entire society has spiked dramatically. Online activities have become the norm from the original short-lived state of activity, and demand for virtual forms has also increased. People demand a deeper and more immersive experience in the virtual space, that is, sensory and cognitive experience, in order to achieve the state of empathy, forgetting they are in a virtual space, and therefore achieving a state of flow. Secondly, from the perspective of technological development. With the development of VR/AR, 5G, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, AI, and other technologies, those scenes that can only appear in science fiction or movies have been initially slowly presented in virtual space. The continuous development of technology provides technical support for the construction of the virtual world. Therefore, there is a further attempt at virtual space. It also provides a visible and touchable mode for the virtual space, allowing users to experience a more immersive experience. Finally, from the economic perspective. Human IRL lives have begun to migrate in significant numbers to the internet, and the virtual economy, or digital economy, is booming. An emergent economy has evolved in the virtual world as the whole society migrates to virtual space on a large scale, consumes and makes money there. Entrepreneurs and individuals with a keen sense of smell have seen huge business prospects in the future, and have successively injected a large number of funds into it.